Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. This is a space just for you, Capricorn. A moment to breathe, reset, and reconnect with your inner strength. Now, Capricorns are known for their determination, patience, and quiet power. So today's affirmations are designed to support your ambition, honor your discipline, and remind you that you are worthy, not just for what you achieve, but for who you are. So take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Let's begin. I am grounded, focused, and deeply capable. I trust my ability to build a meaningful and successful life. My discipline is a strength, and I use it with balance and wisdom. I am patient with my growth, knowing great things take time. I honor my ambitions while also honoring my need for rest. I am resilient, even when challenges feel heavy. My hard work is seen, valued, and rewarded in perfect timing. I allow myself to feel proud of how far I've come. I am worthy of love and appreciation beyond my achievements. I release the need to carry everything on my own. I trust myself to make wise and thoughtful decisions. I am stable, dependable, and emotionally strong. I give myself permission to soften and receive support. Success flows to me because I stay true to my values. I am building a future that aligns with my purpose and integrity. Take one more slow breath in and release. Capricorn, your strength is quiet but powerful. Your persistence shapes worlds, and your heart deserves just as much care as your goals. So carry these affirmations with you today. Return to them whenever you need grounding, motivation, or reassurance. So thank you for being here. And remember, you are already enough. So if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.